Now let's assume that you are in frequency mode, and the question does not really even involve the frequency. Does not really involve frequency. Imagine this kind of example. Um, Calculate the variance of the numbers, blah blah blah, and you don't want to waste your time to go and find the frequency mode again. Like, you have set it to be in the frequency mode, but you don't want to remove that frequency mode. You want it to be like that. If it's already in the frequency mode, what you do is that you type all the frequency to be 1. That's if it's already in frequency mode. Now let's go back, let's solve that question. Go to, you have put it in stats. After putting in statistic mode, shift 1, go to data number 2 to input all the datas. You can see I've not removed this frequency part. Now let me type all the values. We have 19, 21, 27, 37. So even if I have 37 more than once, I can just type everything like that and put the frequency 1. It is only when I've put it in table, how many times that 37 will appear, will now put it as the frequency. Maybe it appear 3 times, I'll put it there. But because I don't want to remove it in frequency mode, I'll just put all the frequency as 1, since I don't really need frequency for this question. Are you with me? Yes, you are with me. So that's it. Press AC after inputting everything. Then you press shift 1 again, go to number 4. I told you that this is for standard deviation, number 3 is for standard deviation, so you click on number 3, press equal to, you get 7. And I said when you want to get the variance, you square it. So you can see 49 is among the options. The answer is E. Very correct. In this video, we are going to solve grouped data using calculator. Now we are going to solve this group data using calculator. I want to find mean, I want to find standard deviation. Although in this question they said using an assumed mean, an assumption, but we hope to get the same answer with theirs, because they not just ask for mean, they ask for an assumed mean to get this. Okay, now let's move. Set your calculator to statistics mode, shift mode, then go to number 3. You see statistics. Forget about all these things that just popped up. Then make sure that you have on your frequency, shift mode, then go to number, then come down, go to number 4. Number 1 is on, so you have already on it. Now press shift to number 1, go to number 2. You want to input some data, as you can see there. Now this, don't go and put 20 minus 29. What you want to find is the middle number. How do you get it? 20 plus 29 divided by 2. That's what you put here. 30 plus 39 divided by 2, and so on. So some people will go through the stress of drawing the table again, then they will now do 20 plus 29 divided by 2. The fact that you are drawing the table again means that it's of no use using your calculator, because now you are writing. When we say something is calculated method, it means that you are not expected to write anything. You have to use your calculator to do everything. Now let's use our calculator to do everything. Instead of us to write the table, just write, open your bracket, write the 20 plus 29, then close the bracket. Don't forget the bracket is very important. Divided by 2, so the middle number is 24.5. now do the same for 30 and 39. So you have 30 plus 39 divided by 2. Don't forget to divide by 2, very important, to divided by 2. Then the next one is 40 plus 49 divided by 2. Don't do minus, so go. Then the next one is 50 plus 59 divided by 2. Then the next one is 60 plus 69 divided by 2. Then the last one is, there are some cases where you don't even need to finish it. You observe that it's always something 4.5, something 4.5, 44.5, 54.5, 64.5. This one is supposed to be 74.5, so you just know. Very correct. Now let's go and put their frequencies now. Their frequencies. The frequency of this one is 187 more. Number of sheep, the sheep menu, don't be lie. 187. Then the next one is 252. The next one is 196. That one a person jam score. Then this is 130. 130. Then you go to 88. Then 47. So with this we have typed everything. Then you press AC, shift, then press 1. Then don't forget, when you want to find the sum of all these ones, that's when you go to sum, or the sum of all these ones. Go to number 4. You can see number 2 is main. Number 2 is main, so click 2, press equal to 42.5. Let's see their answer. Their answer is 42. Nice one. 42.51. 42.51. So what if we want to look for standard deviation? Press shift 1. I've pressed ACO, that's why everything left. Press shift 1. Don't worry, if you press ACO, your data are still saved. Shift 1, then go to number 4 again. You can see number 3 is standard deviation. Press 3, then equal to 14.4. 14.4. Look at it, 14.41, 14.2. If you are asked to now look for the variance, simple, just square it. As easy as ABC, you will get the variance. So that will be all for this video. See you guys later. Bye. The next video will talk about regression.